How old do you have to be to get Medicare? Basically, it's 65. Okay. Like every rule, everything I talk about here on the MedicareFamily.com, there are a lot of exceptions, but the majority of people in the country will qualify for and sign up for their Medicare benefits at age 65. You want to call us 3 months before, you can't call earlier, and we will walk you through the process, how to get signed up online, and while we can't do it for you anymore, we will hold your hand and walk you through the process. And you don't pay anything extra to have us help you with that. 3 months before, ideally. If you wait, there is a window, but the longer you wait, then your Part B gets delayed to start. So if you call us ideally 3 months before the month that you're going to turn 65, because if your birthday is on November 29th, your Medicare benefits actually start November 1st, the first of the month. So most people are eligible at age 65. Now they get confused, and the confusing trigger is Social Security. Social Security and Medicare, people say, oh, those are two programs. They both take money out of my check every week, right, with your FICA. And people confuse them and think that they're just parallel tracks. And it used to be more parallel. You used to get full retirement benefits from Social Security at 65. And you got your Medicare at 65. They moved that. Ronald Reagan moved this up to 67. So you have a window with Social Security. You can choose when to take your Social Security benefits. You can choose as early as 62, all the way up to 70. With Medicare, again, you can choose when to take your benefits as early as 65, as long as whenever. There's no end date. But if you don't choose correctly, you get a penalty. And most people have heard about the penalty. If you're eligible for Medicare and you don't have other creditable coverage, such as coverage at work, you're on your spouse's health plan or you're on your own health plan. If you don't, you're just self-employed and you're retiring, or you work for a small company, small is defined as under 20 people there, then you have to sign up at 65. And if you don't, you're like, yeah, I'm fine, I'm not going to do it. 3 years later, you decide you need to do it. 3 years times 10% a year, you're going to have a 30% penalty every month for the rest of your life. So you don't have to sign up for 65. You never have to sign up for the government's Medicare. But if you later want it, you later realize, ooh, I do want it, I made a mistake, that's where the penalty comes in. Because a lot of people think they're going to start penalizing you. No, you only get the penalty if you've signed up and they've determined that you were late. If you never sign up, I had somebody yesterday who goes, I don't want it, blah, blah, the government, I'm not signing up for it. I think that's crazy, but you don't ever have to sign up. But if you do later want it and you did it wrong, that's where they're going to get you. So another confusing point is, since you can get Social Security as early as 62, you have that choice to take it early. Sure, you get a reduced amount, but you have a choice. That a lot of people think, well, cool, I'll take my Medicare early too. I'll retire at 62. I'll get Social Security. I'll get Medicare for my health insurance, and we're golden, right? No. You cannot choose to take Medicare early. And people say, but Ellen is only 60 and she's on Medicare. How'd she get it? Ellen is on Social Security disability. Different rules for different plans. So people that are on Social Security disability, typically, after they've been on it for 2 years, they're eligible for Medicare. And you can be on Social Security disability in your 30s, 40s, 50s, right? It's a separate program. You have to qualify for that because you're unable to work, you're disabled. If you're getting Medicare because of retirement, you're not disabled, then you don't have a choice to get it early. Your choice is to get it at 65 or to delay it as long as you want because you have creditable coverage at work, typically, and you want to continue to work and stay on your work insurance. You can put off taking Medicare. There's no penalty. There's no problem. You're not giving up any rights. You're not putting yourself in a worse strategic position for your retirement. You can just keep working as long as you want. And a lot of people say, well, I don't know when I want to retire. That's fine. Ideally, again, you're going to call us at the Medicare Family 3 months before you want to retire. But I have people that call me that day. They'll say, I went into work today. My boss was rude. I had it. I'm done. I quit. Get me signed up. We can do that too. So just remember that Social Security and Medicare are sister programs, but they're not twins. You can take Social Security early, but not Medicare early. If you take Social Security early and then you figure out that you got to get your health insurance and you can't get Medicare, a lot of people have to undo this. They have to stop their Social Security because they can't afford health insurance. What health insurance would you be on if you're under 65 and you retired at 62? You're typically going to be on Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act, or potentially on short-term medical. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.